Let's go.
Type Anaconda download in Google and now click download Anaconda distribution. Here you need to write your email address and submit, and it will send a link to download in your email address. Now, steps to install Anaconda. Now, how to install Anaconda in Windows? Just click that button. See, you have already downloaded the link. Now, double click the Anaconda. Follow the instructions given here. Click I agree. Steps installation type. Click just me alone. Okay, and click next. Then choose. Now you have to choose the location. The default location should be C folder. In the C folder, create a folder and store it. Click next. So now in this you need to check all the things, okay, and click finish. So the installation will be completed. Next and finish, launch. So these are the editors of the Anaconda.
We'll be using Jupyter. To launch Jupyter Notebook, type Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda prompt. Ensure you could have a dedicated folder to write a program or create a new one. In the taskbar, type Anaconda prompt and click Anaconda prompt. Here, this is the base. This should be present here. Now, as I said earlier, I'm going to create a dedicated folder to store all my programs. I have changed to F drive where my folder is present, and I'm going to enter into my folder. CD space AI is the folder name. So it will go into my folder. Now here you type Jupyter Notebook. It will launch the new Jupyter Notebook. It will ask for the browser to be launched, and it is your preference to choose the browser. Click the link here. Click the new and Python 3 to launch the Jupyter to write your Python program. Thank you.